Tucked away in the heart of nature, the Black Hills Health and Education Center is located in Hermosa, South Dakota at the southern base of the Black Hills. We are situated just 9 miles from Mount Rushmore and beautifully located on 260 acres of a serene red rock canyon. The surrounding clean air, beauty, peace, and quiet of nature have a marvelously soothing and restorative effect on the body, mind, and spirit. Our walking trails invite guests to let their feet and mind wander as they follow the paths along the flowing waters of Battle Creek or climb to the top of the bluffs to experience the majestic view of the valley from a higher elevation. The Wellness Center includes 14 guest suites, each with its own ensuite. Guests are invited to join together to learn about nutrition, lifestyle diseases, and their prevention. We accommodate each health guests in a modest home-style, comfortably furnished room. Each room is designed for 2 occupants or 1 couple with clean bedding and towels provided. Wellness Center guests enjoy specialized treatments according to their needs, but are also taught proper ways to prepare wholesome meals by not only experiencing hands-on culinary skills. Wellness guests also enjoy delightful, delicious plant-based gluten-free meals, prepared by our on-staff chefs. Guests are also encouraged to visit, or even join us as we prepare the soil in our organically grown gardens. In addition to the Wellness Center guests, the center also operates a delightful place for overnight or longer stays. Each guest suite is available with 1, 2, or 3 rooms and 2 restrooms with showers. Bedding and towels are also provided. Plant-based meals may also be obtained per special request. We invite all our guests to enjoy the beauty of the area by just sitting and relaxing, or by walking the various trails available on our campus, or we're happy to direct you to nearby attractions. Whatever your reason or the season, come visit us at the Black Hills Health and Education Center. Relax and be rejuvenated.
Hi, my name's Chelsea. I'm here with the Black Hills School of Massage Therapy from the Black Hills Health and Education Center, and we are here in Chadron, Nebraska, helping out with an outreach.
We're doing chair massage, they're also doing free dental work, there's table massage, and we're having a lot of fun.
When I became a Christian, God impressed a desire in my heart to help people physically and spiritually and really restore their health and well-being. And massage therapy seemed to be an avenue where I could minister to people and really help them.
I spent 30 years in the military. And at the end of my career, I was really looking at what can I do to give back. It's time to pursue a second career that I felt was more attuned to ministering towards others.
I've always been interested in medical missionary work, and I've had the privilege of being in that field for a few years now. And I think that it's through that experience that I really grew to like massage therapy. And so I worked with a few massage therapists at another facility, and I saw the great results that they were having, and so that's one reason that I really wanted to get involved in this.
What I believe makes the Black Hills School of Massage different is the focus that we have. We're all about teaching students how to do really good massage therapy, but more than that, we're about mission, about helping young adults find a place where they can minister to people through the gift of touch.
I had an awesome experience with one client. There's this lady, for 5 months she was battling a shoulder injury and nothing seemed to help her, physical therapy, chiropractic work. And so she came to us, kind of last resort. I really didn't know too much at the time. I just knew a few techniques for shoulder work, and I really prayed and I asked God to help me to help this woman. And over the span of, I think, 4 or 5 weeks, she said that she was completely healed. And so I really give praise to God because it was His doing through me. Nothing in my own power could have helped her, you know, so that was a blessing.
And I call it tent maker principle, which we know about in the Bible. And by learning massage therapy, being licensed to be a massage therapist allows the students to not only do ministry, but to be able to provide an income so that they can support themselves.
When I was thinking of getting further training earlier this year, one thing that I thought about was Paul, who had a trade to help support him in ministry. And so for young people who are really wanting to do ministry but maybe unsure about how they can support themselves and interested in medical missionary work, I think that this is a really good option. And of course, it's not about making the money, it's about ministering to the soul, but it is part of helping to support yourself. So that's one reason that I thought massage therapy would be really useful.
I was a little scared at first to come here because I didn't know who were going to be my classmates, but I've really grown to become best friends with a lot of my classmates.
There's about 10 of us roughly, and we've really grown close to each other. I think that we've all grown not just in our knowledge of massage therapy, but we've grown spiritually and just generally in our experience. So yeah, I think we've really bonded as a class. So it's been a good experience.
One thing about being in massage school that is also around a lifestyle center is that I'm able to see how a lifestyle center works. And as I'm doing massage therapy course, I also stay in the dorm as well in Red Canyon, and I'm able to see how the lifestyle center works. And in a way, I'm not just getting a massage training. I'm also being able to have almost an internship to watch how a lifestyle program works.
Something I've really appreciated about the massage program here is that we get to see and experience firsthand the lifestyle guests coming through the program that Black Hills does. And what they do is that they put the guests on a whole foods, plant-based diet. They put them on an exercise plan. They do a lot of hydrotherapy and massage therapy and a lot of biblical response therapy kind of things. And so as a massage therapist, going out into the real world, I really appreciate that aspect of witnessing firsthand how these practical lifestyle changes have really helped people overcome different struggles in their lives.
I searched everywhere, both for financial reasons, but also the curriculum that you find a lot of the time is not really geared towards the Christian perspective. A lot of it is very Eastern type, curriculum, or the New Age twist on things. And so I really, being a Christian myself, I really wanted to find a curriculum that taught the principles that are in the Bible.
And I was interested in some massage school that was faith-based. And by God's grace, I found it online while sitting in northern England, getting ready to fly back. And it was the Black Hills Health and Education Center's School of Massage. Looking at the website, it just felt exactly what I was being called to do.
One of the best things that I have enjoyed about being at Black Hills is the nature, everything around. So right now we're in Shadron, which is in the city, and it's so different to the campus over there. I think I really enjoy seeing the hills, and we have a stream that goes through the Black Hills, and so we have a lot of opportunity to hike and get a lot of exercise, but we also have a lot of opportunity to spend time in nature with God.
And it's been a huge blessing for me personally. I've grown more spiritually these past 4 months than I have my whole life. So it's been an awesome experience.
I felt just the spirit within the school, between the students and their clients, and as well as the staff. And I knew in my heart, I was convicted that I had to attend the Black Hills School of Massage. It literally has been one of the highlights of my career.
Our program is a 600-hour program, which leads to state licensure here in South Dakota, but also students are eligible to apply for licenses in any other states. They all take the NBLEX national examination, which qualifies them to be licensed massage therapists. For a while, we were the only Adventist program in the U.S., actually North America, that was available to students to be able to study in a Christian environment. And so we feel pretty excited about that.
You need to look deep in your heart and ask yourself, why do you want to do massage? And if it is in fact to provide healing towards others through touch, then by all means, I think Black Hills School of Massage is virtually the only place I would recommend.
I would encourage anybody that's searching for how they can be more useful for God's service, how they can be a tool, an instrument in His hands to really minister to people effectively, and you're really passionate about health and medical missionary work, to really research and think about coming to the Black Hills School of Massage Therapy. It's been the best 4 months of my life, making lasting friendships with my fellow students and the staff here, and also just the overall environment is really beautiful. So I'd encourage anybody that's looking to go into ministry to coming to Black Hills.
So I would definitely, hands down, recommend Black Hills Health and Education Center School of Massage over any that I've come across.